My name is Zach Turner. I'm a student here at Southern Wesleyan. I'm a senior. I've grown up here my whole life, stayed home for college, and I'm a double major in digital marketing and media communications. One of my favorite things about MediaCom is that we do projects all the time, which is exactly what you're going to be doing in real life. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or you're working in the industry full time, you're always going project to project. So we get to work with people in the community, making things for people in the community. I've been allowed to have the freedom to explore and to try new things that I wouldn't have had the opportunity to do at a larger university. I've never acted, never been in a play, definitely never been in a musical, and yet my fiance convinced me to audition for Anastasia. So I did, and in my mind, I justified it as, well, even if I don't get it, it's a valuable experience. I can learn the acting side of filmmaking a little bit. Turns out I really liked it. And I've always been a sports guy growing up, but got a chance to put myself out there and have this entire new experience creatively that I've never had before in my life. If you want to learn and grow, become more knowledgeable, you have to try new things. So push yourself out of your comfort zone a little bit, get a little uncomfortable. I still feel lost in the media space. It feels like the more I learn about it, the less I actually know. So I'm still trying to figure out where I fit in. But what I do know is that the opportunity that I've had at Southern Wesleyan has put me in a place to succeed down the line, especially once I figure out exactly what I want to do and where I want to be.